In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your existing products into new $10,000 to $30,000 per month revenue streams with less than 15 minutes of setup using AI. Now I know that sounds crazy, so instead of just talking about it, you'll watch me do this live for a real product in this video so you can see the magic unfold in front of your eyes. Now this works best for e-commerce brands that are already doing $10,000 per month in sales on Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, Etsy, or any other marketplace wherever you're selling. Hey, I'm Ishan Soni, and over the past 12 years, I've built multiple seven-figure e-commerce brands. But the strange thing is, I did it doing the exact opposite of what most gurus are teaching. Let me explain. See, back when I was selling products on Amazon, I had a product selling about 1,500 units a month. I was selling it for around $18, making about $4 net profit after product costs and advertising costs. I was ready to scale this product, so I ordered about 6,000 units from my supplier. But tons of new competitors started flooding in, and PPC campaigns that were once profitable started bleeding money. So my sales dropped, and now I was only selling 600 units per month as opposed to 1,500. And I tried everything to boost my sales. I optimized my PPC campaigns. I tweaked my listings. I ran promotions. Nothing moved the needle. Now, I knew that if I didn't figure something out, I would be sitting on over a year of inventory and probably a huge storage bill from Amazon. But I wasn't going to allow factors outside my control to decide my fate. So I decided to try something. I decided to run an experiment. I took this Amazon product and I launched it on Shopify. Now, I spent months building out the Shopify store, figuring out the right apps to install and doing all of the tech setup, setting up my product pages the correct way, using a Shopify theme. I customized it all for months to get it to look and feel exactly the way that I wanted. And I spent years optimizing my product listings for the highest conversions. And you know what? It was totally worth it. Because as soon as I did this, I started generating $12,000 to $30,000 months on Shopify from this same product that I was earlier selling on Amazon. In fact, I generated over $500,000 in sales from this one product alone. What I loved the most about this was I was getting paid $101 per order on Shopify instead of just having $18 sales on Amazon. And the best part was, instead of making $4 per unit, which I was making on Amazon, I was now making $48 net profit from every order. That's 12 times bigger profits than what I was making earlier on Amazon. And I no longer had to deal with Amazon algorithm changes, policy changes, new competitors flooding in. I didn't have to deal with any of that drama. Now, just to make sure that this wasn't a fluke, I decided to try it again with another product. This time, I took an Amazon product that I was selling for about $30. I was already making about $25,000 to $30,000 a month on Amazon from this. And after all of my products and sponsored ad costs and FBA fees, I was making about $8 net profit per sale on Amazon. After launching it on Shopify, I started generating $15,000 to $20,000 months consistently. And the best part about all this, my average order value was $177, meaning every sale that I was getting, I was making about $177 on the first transaction. So after all of my product and advertising costs, I was actually making about $80 profit per sale. Instead of, on Amazon, I was making about $8 profit from the same product. And by now, I was hooked. So for my next product launch, I decided to skip all of the Amazon drop, and I decided to launch this product straight on Shopify. And I was able to scale this product from scratch to $50,000 months in less than 6 months. And this product actually turned out to be my biggest profit maker. My average order value on it was $211, and after my product costs and shipping costs and advertising costs, I was actually able to pocket $134 profit on every sale. See, by installing this entire system for just 3 products, I was able to scale my Shopify store to $100,000 months. So, would you like to know the exact secret sauce that made all of these results inevitable? See, unlike what the gurus will tell you, it's not about having better products. Mine were the exact same products that I was selling on Amazon. It's not about having figured out some magic traffic source that nobody knows about. And it's not about lowering your prices. In fact, in my case, for all of the three products that I just showed you, I actually raised my prices because I was able to position my products in a premium way, and I wasn't any longer competing with thousands of other listings on the same page that I was advertising on. I didn't do any fancy ad campaigns or hire some world-class agency. It all comes down to one component, which when installed, allows you to score 3 to 5 times higher revenue from the same customers. It allows you to generate 10 times bigger profits per sale from the same products that you're already selling. And it allows you to scale your brand to 7 to 8 figures with ease, speed, and stability. I call it revenue optimized product funnels. See, every time I installed this for a product, I opened up a new $10,000 to $30,000 per month income stream for my products. And every revenue optimized product funnel has 3 key pillars. Number 1, irresistible sales pages. These are product pages that are designed to convert clicks into buyers, skeptics into believers, and it makes every other competitor product irrelevant. Pillar number 2 is a customized upsell journey. These are strategic upsells that turn single purchases into shopping sprees that maximize the revenue from every order. Pillar number 3 is a smart retention engine. These are email sequences that nurture relationships, drive repeat purchases, and create predictable cash flow because keep your customers coming back and ordering more products from you. Now, the most important pillar from all of these is your product sales pages. Why? Because if this page doesn't pull its weight, then you don't stand a chance. See, when you're driving traffic from any source to your product pages, if you're not able to grab attention, separate yourself from every other option that's out there, and engage and compel the user to buy the product right now, then you've lost that chance. With the amount of competition that's out there, you have to have product pages that are able to cut out all the noise and get somebody to take action right now. And that's why getting this page nailed down and getting it right is also difficult. But when you nail it, every single product page becomes a profit-producing asset that prints money for you for years. See, I've had product pages that I've built years ago that are still generating consistent, predictable cash flow month after month. And over the last 7 years, I've spent millions of dollars figuring out how to engineer the best, highest converting product pages. In fact, I got so good at doing this that I've had brand owners invest up to $15,000 for me to personally build out these product pages for their brand. Like, for example, this Amazon brand owner wired me $15,000 to build out the product pages for him. This 7-figure robotics brand invested $13,800 to upgrade their existing product pages. Another Shopify brand owner, she sells out her products at trade shows every time she does them, but she couldn't figure out how to make the same magic happen on Shopify. She was a product expert and she didn't really know how to make traffic convert on an online store. This $400K per month Amazon seller, he wanted to escape the golden handcuffs of Amazon. He no longer wanted to be controlled by the algorithm changes and the rising PPC ad costs and the thousands of competitors trying to squeeze out margins. He wanted to add a new sales channel for his products. He wanted to create a new revenue stream and diversify away from Amazon, and he decided to get his product pages built by us as well. Now, in the past, it used to take me and my team 2 to 3 months to custom build these product pages for our clients because it requires an extensive amount of audience research, market research, identifying exactly what kind of hooks you want to be hitting on your product pages, how to best present your product, how to compare it to the other options that are out there. And there are so many different copy and design and visual conversion elements that you want to make sure that you have installed on your pages. And over the past couple of years, I've reverse engineered every single high converting product page that I have built. The good, the bad, the ugly. I have literally dissected it all, and I've studied 7-8-figure brands to figure out exactly what separates winning product pages from the ones that burn ad spend. And more than that, I've actually ran hundreds of split tests and spent over $400,000 in traffic of my own money to validate this in the real world. But now, We have developed an AI software that creates world-class product pages engineered for the highest conversions with only 10 to 15 minutes of setup. Let me show you exactly how this works. Now, let me show you how easy it is to generate a high-converting sales page using AI and our Rainmaker Bots AI application. So what you see right here before you is a typical Amazon listing that I pulled up. This is a mini handheld massage gun. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the link to this listing. And I'm going to go to our Rainmaker Bots AI application inside of Shopify. And you can see right here, I've created a new product called Handheld Mini Massage Gun. And I'm simply going to click on the generate button. Now, there are two options here. Either I can manually enter product details, or what we're going to use in this case is I can enter a URL. So I'm simply going to paste our Amazon listing URL here. I put a Walmart URL, an eBay URL, Etsy, another Shopify product page, or any other web page that might have the relevant product information. And I'm simply going to click on the continue button. And that's it. That's all I have to do. And now the request has been sent, and now our AI system will start analyzing the entire Amazon listing, the title, the images, the description, the reviews, all of that data. It will start doing audience research. It will now start compiling the best hooks and the best angles to write the sales copy. And it will also generate all of the creative graphics and images for our sales page. So this entire generation is going to take 5 to 10 minutes because we literally have a series of different AI aids and system that we are using to come up with the most high converting product sales page possible. This is on the back of literally hundreds of frameworks and models that we have given to our AI system, along with millions of dollars of testing on different ad campaigns that we have used in the past. So all of that data is now going to be used to create a high converting sales page for you. So again, this is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes. So let me pause this video and I'll be right back with you. Okay, welcome back. Now our AI system has created about 300 different copy elements along with about 30 images that is dynamically created for us. This process takes about 5 to 7 minutes. And now you can see that on this page, I can start making any edits to any of the copy if I wish to. But in this case, I'm simply going to click on the upload images and publish button without making any tweaks at all. This is going to take about 10 seconds or so. And our product page is literally going to be live, ready to launch, ready to start driving traffic to. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you the finished product page that this has generated for us. As you can see, the product page has been generated for us. And now let's look at the product page. So this is the product page that we were able to build with a few clicks of a button. As you can see, it's got a beautiful headline. We've got the product images right here. We've got some testimonials here on the left as well. We've got some bullets here on the right in this dynamic buy box. We've got the price. We've got the shipping. We've got the bundles. We've got a beautiful add to cart button, the money back guarantee, shipping, badges, everything like that. This entire page, what I'm about to take you through, has literally taken millions of dollars of testing, right? We've literally spent millions of dollars on advertising, split testing, and creating this entire product page that you see right here before you. And this has been literally 5 years in the works, right? And every single component is conversion optimized to maximize your average order value, your conversion rates, and most importantly, your revenue per visitor. So the first section here simply describes the different problems that this product solves. And again, all of these images and the copy is generated 100% using AI. And this was just on the first go. And you can see that now we've got a product introduction section where we're introducing the product. Then we've got a section that shows the different steps that they need to take to start getting the outcome that this product gives them, right? So they need to buy the product, how they can use the product, and how they can start experiencing the outcome that this product delivers. Then we've got different product description sections that show an image and benefits of the different use cases that this product can be used for, right? So we've got a left-right section here, and as you can see, I'm going to scroll through this here. And we've also got a testimonial box. We've got some call to action buttons along with some other conversion optimized copy. And then we've got why this product is superior to all the other options that are out there. We've also got a comparison box. Why choose this product over other brands that are out there? Then we also show them the different locations and use cases for this product in terms of where it can be used. And this is really powerful because one important thing that I want to mention is that this entire product page is actually built for AI discoverability. Okay, so we've actually built schema and product markup in such a way that your product listing can actually start showing up inside of ChatGPT, Perplexity, and different AI chatbots that are out there, so that when people are talking to it, we are now able to feed the product data in a way that it's actually going to show up inside of the different AI search engines. Who this product is ideal for. So we're literally showing the different audience segments and avatars that this product would be ideal for. Then we have a section that boosts your average order value and encourages them to buy this product right now. And then we've got a choose your package option where they can select 1 pack or a 2 pack or a 3 pack of this product. And that will obviously boost your average order value and encourage them to buy multiple units, right? All of this is completely customizable, very easy for you to start making edits to. Within 3 to 5 minutes, if you really wanted to get fancy, you could make edits to this, and now you would have a ready to launch product page. Also, the guarantee, you can see right here, we've built a beautiful guarantee section as well. And then again, we've got a call to action button along with some frequently asked questions, so that if they have any objections, anything that's keeping them from buying this product, we basically remove those objections and we resolve them so that they are encouraged to buy this product right now. And the last section that we've got is a store credibility section that shows why they should buy from us as a brand, as a store. And this sets up the credibility of your brand. Now, again, I literally spend hours distilling every single conversion component that's built inside of this page. But we're able to generate now this entire product page within minutes. Another important component that I want to mention is that this entire product page is 100% integrated with any Shopify theme that you might want to use. So for example, if you wanted to use your own Shopify theme that has a unique header and a specific footer, what would happen is that this header, your Shopify theme's header and footer, would still be used, and all of this content would now dynamically be essentially like sandwiched in between the header and footer of your Shopify theme. So this works across the board. Even if you don't have a Shopify store, you can use the headers and things that we have built by default, or you can use your existing Shopify store themes components inside of this. And again, it's super easy to edit. And this entire product page we were able to build with a couple of clicks of a button. Now, 7 and 8 figure brands literally spent tens of thousands of dollars in getting these conversion optimized product pages built, conversion rate optimization agencies. We've had clients that have paid us $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 to get one single product page built for them, because they realize that this actually sits at the nucleus of what would power their 7 or 8 figure brand. Because one powerful, high converting product page that maximizes your average order value and your revenue per visitor is something that you can scale your product with to start generating $1,000, $3,000, $10,000 a day in sales. And if this is broken, then you can't do any of that. Most people think that it's actually the traffic that's going to make or break their advertising campaigns. No, the key component is to actually have a high converting product page that sits at the center of your entire sales system. And now we're able to build these types of beautiful looking conversion optimized, revenue per visitor optimized product pages literally within minutes using the AI system that we have built that you can get your hands on. Okay, and you can generate as many of these product pages as you want, and you can make edits to any of this literally within a couple of minutes. If you have a team and you want to get fancy and you want to start editing any of this, you can. It's very, very simple and easy for you to do. So that's the entire system. And again, this template, we've literally done hundreds and hundreds of tweaks to this in perfecting this, and this has been a labor of love for us. And now you can simply plug in your AI content into this. And the other thing is, all of this AI generated copy, it's not like typically if you were to go to ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or whatever AI you want to use, the type of copy that it would write might sound good, but it's actually not designed for persuasion. It's not designed for creating a compelling case for why somebody should buy your product. So we have literally put hundreds of different frameworks, thousands of different winning ad campaigns inside of our AI agents and the system that we have built to generate the quality of copy that is able to be created for this. And again, we have tested this ourselves. We've tested this with other clients, and this is exactly what you need to implement to start creating high conversions and a high revenue per visitor. And you can get your hands on this now to generate unlimited product pages literally with a few clicks of a button and about 3 to 5 minutes of manual edits if you want to make them. So instead of hiring an agency that's going to take 2 or 3 months to design and go back and forth with and generate a product page like this and spending tens of thousands of dollars, you're now able to do this across your entire brand for as many products as you want and create beautiful, high converting design landing pages and product sales funnels that are going to convert and maximize your average order value and your revenue per visitor. So that's it. I wanted to share this demo with you. We literally went from this Amazon listing right here, right? And we were able to generate a product page like this, literally in 10 to 15 minutes. Pure magic. And we're going to show you exactly how you get this entire system installed for your brand when you come on board as a client. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of results can this actually produce once you install these high converting product pages? So I'm going to take you behind the scenes. This is one of our clients. And before she started working with us in the first 9 months of the year, from January to August, she had generated $210,000 in sales from about 92,000 clicks or visitors, which is a revenue per visitor, which is simply the net sales divided by number of sessions. Okay. And she was basically making $2.26 per visitor. Okay. Now, the reason why we're going to focus on revenue per visitor and not average order value or conversion rate or lifetime value, which a lot of other people like focus on, is because these are vanity metrics and they don't actually tell you the truth of how effective any marketing campaign or channel is. Revenue per visitor is a metric that combines average order value, conversion rate, lifetime value, and all of these things. And it's a much simpler metric because we're able to measure essentially how much money are we making from every click that's generated to the product page. So again, she was making about $2.26 per visitor. Now, let me actually show you. This is a typical product page of what it looked like for her before she started working with us. So I just pulled up a random product that she had. She has about 30 different products, and this is not one that we worked on. And you can see the way that this page has been designed and created. It's okay, it's average, but it's actually missing a lot of different conversion elements and design elements and things that would make it work. Okay. Now, once we kind of came on board and we decided to completely redo this, you can see this is the type of product page that we built for her. You can see this is her same store header, but what's sandwiched between her header and footer, you can see that this is the same template, the same kind of copy elements and images and design philosophy that I shared with you earlier in the demo. And you can see that she's made a few tweaks to this page. We've worked on and made a few tweaks for her inside this, but you can see that it follows the exact same format, all of the exact same conversion components and everything like that. I'm not going to go through this entire page, but you can see that it's very similar to the product page that I had showed you earlier. Now, once we implemented this, which was on September 1st, okay, so you can see that from September 1st till right now, the revenue that she generated is $18,800. And again, this is only for 3 of her products. She has about 30 different products, right? So this is only for 3 of her products. The revenue is $18,000. Unique visitors is 2,350. And if you were to do the math on this, if you were to divide this number, the revenue, by the unique visitors, you would get a revenue per visitor of $8 per click. Okay, so we went from $2.26, right, to about $8 per click just by installing these product pages for her. So if this is something that you want to do, where either you want to switch your existing Shopify pages to what we've got built, or you don't have a Shopify page at all and you actually want to build a high converting branded Shopify store similar to the ones that 7-8-figure brands have, then go ahead and click the button below to book a conversation with us. What we're going to do on this one-on-one Zoom meeting is we're going to ask a few questions about your brand, about your products. We're going to discuss exactly what's holding you back right now and exactly what are the goals that you have in mind with your products. Another reason why we do this call is because we only want to work with brands that have high quality, reputable products that they want to spread the good word about. And we really like to vet the brand owners and the people that we want to work with. And within a matter of days of you joining us, should you choose to come on board and we decide mutually that we are a good fit for each other, within a matter of days, we can install and get these product pages live, installed inside of your own Shopify store that you 100% control. Everything is customized and all of these pages are mobile optimized. they're AI optimized, and we're also going to share with exactly how to start driving traffic to these product pages for as little as $20 a day, leveraging buyer traffic that's already out there. So that's another thing that we're happy to share with you exactly how we've done. And we've used these traffic sources to scale multiple seven-figure brands ourselves and for our clients. We're going to share that with you as well, so that once you get these product pages, if you're wondering how am I actually going to get traffic to it, we're going to share that blueprint with you as well. We are not a marketing agency. We're not a traffic agency either. What we do best is creating high converting product pages, upsell pages, and really sales funnels, an entire customer journey that is designed from the first click, from the first time that somebody comes across your brand, all the way to converting them into a first time customer. And then from that point on, turning them into repeat buyers and avid fans of your brand. And that's exactly what this entire blueprint, the AI system that I shared with you, we're going to be able to do. This is not going to take months. This is not a course or a mastermind that you're going to be joining where we're going to drop hundreds and thousands of hours of training on you and you have to figure out everything yourself. No, we have systemized this entire process in such a beautiful way that you're now going to be able to leverage the exact seven-figure store system that's taken years for us to develop, and you can now install it for your products and for your brand, as many products as you want, literally with a few clicks of a button. And every product is only going to take 10 to 15 minutes to generate, launch, get ready, up, and live. So if you want to experience results like this and you want to scale your brand to the next level and you want to start generating $1,000, $3,000, $10,000 a day from your products in a strategic way, and do it based on the real world experience that me and my team have had for the last 15 years of having built multiple seven-figure brands on Amazon and Shopify, then this is your opportunity to do it. So what you need to do right now is go ahead and click button below, book a conversation with us. We're going to figure out if this is a good fit for you. And if it is, we would love to invite you to join us to start leveraging this technology and what we have built. This is only the beginning. This is only going to keep getting better and better as we make our system more intelligent. And I think this is going to be an absolute breakthrough for you. And yeah, go ahead and click the button below and book a conversation with us. We would love to chat with you and see how we can get this entire system installed inside of your business in a matter of days. So go ahead and click the button below, and we look forward to having a conversation with you soon.